Alright, let's break down the toolchain for embedded Linux. Think of it as building a high-tech sandwich layer by layer. So, first up, what's a toolchain? Imagine you're assembling a robot. You don't just need the parts, but also the tools to put them together. In the embedded Linux world, a toolchain is your toolkit. It's the collection of programs you use to turn your code into something a tiny computer or embedded device can actually run. Let's start with the big piece, the compiler. Most of the time we use GCC, the GNU compiler collection. This guy takes the human-readable code you write, like C or C++, and transforms it into machine code. But here's the kicker: embedded devices are often a totally different species than your laptop. So, you need a cross-compiler. That's a compiler running on your PC, but spitting out code that works on the target device. But there's more in the toolbox. Next up, the linker. After your code is compiled, it's still scattered in pieces. The linker's job is to stitch all those pieces together into one neat file the device can actually run. If the compiler is the chef, the linker is the person plating the food, making it presentable and ready to serve. Then, there's the assembler. Sometimes your code drops down to assembly language, which needs converting into raw machine instructions. That's where the assembler comes in, translating those low-level commands so the hardware understands. Libraries are like your spice rack, pre-made ingredients you can add to your recipe. These are chunks of pre-written code, like math functions or network tools, that you don't want to reinvent from scratch. The toolchain knows how to grab these and blend them in. Now, let's talk about the build system. This is your kitchen manager. Tools like Make or CMake help organize the process. They keep track of files, run the compiler and linker in the right order, and make sure you're not doing any unnecessary work. Finally, there's the debugger. If something goes wrong, you need to figure out why. Tools like GDB let you peek inside your running program, line by line, to spot mistakes. So, to wrap it up, the embedded Linux toolchain is your complete workshop. Compiler, linker, assembler, libraries, build system, and debugger, they all work together to turn your code into a working program for devices big and small. Now, next time you fire up an embedded project, you'll know exactly which tools are in your belt and how to use them.